In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off Siri on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to disable or turn off Siri on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through. So when you disable or turn off Siri, you no longer be able to use your voice command to wake Siri or press the start button to wake Siri. If I just say, "Hey Siri," literally this is going to wake my Apple Watch Siri. Then if you press and hold the digital crown, this is going to wake Siri on your Apple Watch. But here, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable Siri on Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this way fun and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is just press the digital crown once to exit the watch face and go to the app menu or app list. Then one of the app list, click on settings. Now on the settings page, scroll down until you get to Siri and then click on it. Once you selected Siri, locate listen for Siri under her Siri and then click on that. Now to disable or turn off Siri on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is tap off. Then hit the back button. Then if you now say, "Hey Siri," or go ahead and press the digital crown like this, then that's going to wake Siri. Now to completely disable Siri, just scroll down. Disable, press the digital crown to wake Siri. Then disable raise to speak Siri. Then you see what that says turn off Siri. Then scroll down and tap turn off Siri. Then you can just come down here as well and delete Siri search history. So once that is deleted, then if you speak or wake Siri with voice command by saying, "Hey Siri," or go ahead and press the digital crown on your Apple Watch, you discover that Siri is no longer working. See, your Siri annotation could not be detected. This is because you decided to turn off Siri on our Apple Watch. So this is how you can easily disable or turn off Siri on Apple Watch. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.